What's up, everybody? Welcome to your daily digest for Wednesday, April 23rd, 2025, where I bring you fact-based, non-sensational, objective information about what's going on in the broader blockchain and cryptocurrency space. Today, we are kicking off with Bitcoin entering the world's top 5 largest assets, surpassing Google, Silver, and Amazon. Bitcoin recently overtook Alphabet, or Google, to become the world's 5th largest, most valuable asset, just behind Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, and gold. This comes at a time when Bitcoin has been beating out the stonk market, beating out NASDAQ 100 returns in April, and we've been seeing a bit of a decoupling from the crypto market from the traditional equities markets. So it's a great time to be a crypto hodler, despite the fact that we're down year over year. Additionally, Bitcoin ETFs logged a pretty chunky inflow the other day, 912 million inflows into the spot Bitcoin ETFs, which marks the largest daily inflow since January 21st of this year, which was just post Trump inauguration. In addition to Bitcoin's inflows, not so chunky, but still nice to see some positives finally. Ethereum had $38 million in its inflows, with the vast majority going into Fidelity's spot ETF, and then the rest into Bitwise's ETF. Moving on into some new news, Financial Times reported that Tether is going to create a crypto acquisition company in collaboration with SoftBank and Bitfinex. The amount of money being put into this crypto acquisition company is pretty chunky, $3 billion amongst the various different entities that include Cantor Fitzgerald, SoftBank, Tether, and Bitfinex. Now, if you're like me, you don't quite know what a crypto acquisition company is, so I head over to Venice.ai to ask the LLM. And a crypto acquisition company is a firm that specializes in acquiring and integrating crypto-related businesses, often with the goal of expanding its portfolio and increasing its presence in the cryptocurrency market. These can typically include mergers and acquisitions, strategic partnerships, joint ventures, or acquisition of intellectual property. Moving on, Janover, which is a publicly traded real estate tech firm, recently rebranded to DeFi Development Corp. This just happened yesterday, and the firm added 88,164 SOL to its treasury, now totaling its Solana holdings of over $37 million. Moving on into SEC news, the SEC has dropped its case against Hex Pulse Chain founder Richard Hart, but in Paul Atkins' new administration, new tenure, he has brought a new case against a crypto fraudster that is claimed to have stolen $198 million in fraud. And this is Ramil Palafox, the founder of PGI Global, which was essentially leveraging a crypto and forex trading exchange to take money from people. According to the SEC, Palafox defrauded global investors between January 2020 and October of 2021 by promoting PGI Global as a crypto asset and forex firm, where he was offering high returns on membership packages and rewarding participants for referring others into basically a model that looks like a pyramid scheme or a multi-level marketing scheme. The complaint reveals that over $57 million of investor funds were misappropriated for personal luxuries, including Lamborghinis. So it is nice to see the SEC dropping frivolous cases against good actors in the crypto space. And it's also nice to see them going after real bad actors who have stolen lots and lots of money from people that they defrauded into thinking they were using a real platform. Moving on, Coinbase is hiring 130 staff and expanding into Charlotte, which is located in North Carolina, the southeast of the US for my international listeners. And Charlotte has been growing its tech footprint over the past decade or so. So this marks Coinbase's focus on investing into a region with a growing tech footprint. Though Coinbase will remain a remote-first company, it will just now have offices located in San Francisco, New York, and now Charlotte. With the additional staff being located in Charlotte as well, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong also outlined plans to add about 1,000 new U.S. employees this year, which will add to the already existing 3,772 employees. And lastly, for my PayPal aficionados out there, PayPal plans to roll out yield on the PYUSD token beginning this summer. Anyone who holds PayPal USD on the app will begin earning a 3.7% annual return on their stablecoin. And this is largely designed to spur adoption by making the token more appealing to stand out amongst its competition. Well, that just about wraps up everything that happened yesterday on our Daily Digest. If you want to keep up to date with what's going on and the Smart Economy podcast and our Daily Digest in general, head over to our Smart Economy podcast to keep up to date with the Daily Digest, our bi-monthly hour-long podcast episodes, and our weekly spaces. And of course, if you enjoyed this, please don't hesitate to give me that like button and to slap me a follow. Have a great day, everyone. Cheers.